Assalamu alaikum, friends. Today we are starting our first video about existentialism. In Waiting for Godot, this is part 1 of the video, and the links of other parts of this video is in description. Check and watch them. Waiting for Godot is a play in which Samuel Beckett adopted the doctrine of existentialism. Critics call it one of the prominent existentialist plays that demonstrate theme of existentialism as main story of the play. However, certain elements are there in it that reveal theme of nihilism too. Nihilism and existentialism are two distinct things. Still, it seems that Samuel Beckett combined them in order, show superiority of existentialism. Some of the critics are of the opinion that Waiting for Godot is neither entirely on existentialism nor entirely on nihilism, but somewhere in between. What is existentialism? Jean-Paul Sartre and Martin Heidegger presented theory of existentialism in which they stated that humans had been thrown in a meaningless universe in which they had no purpose at all. They were put in absurd situation by an unknown force and were living in mental pains and sufferings. Life is terrible or not? It is not the topic relevant to theory of existentialism. Hence, main reason behind sufferings of humans is not the terrible world, but that they are freely living in it. They are free to choose. But irony is that no choice is given to them, but existentialism believes that even not making a choice is a choice. In concise words, existentialism is theory that believes man is what he does. Existentialism in Waiting for Godot. Waiting for Godot is indeed a play that demonstrates theme of existentialism. Two main characters of the play, named as Vladimir and Estragon, are put into an absurd situation, just like humans have been put in the world without any purpose. In whole play, they do nothing to change their miserable condition. Existentialism emphasizes on the practice of doing something and creating a purpose while accepting existence in this world. Hence, they have free will to make their life better. They can come out of this situation and can give their lives a meaning, but they do nothing. Estragon's dialogue is notable in this regard. He says, "Nothing happens, nobody comes, nobody goes, it's awful." Watch the part 2, the link is in description.